Hello, friends! Today, you can learn English by listening, reading, and speaking with a simple story. Let's begin. Story is The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. They wanted to build their own houses. The first pig built a house of straw. It was quick and easy, so he could play all day. The second pig built a house of sticks. It was a little stronger than straw, but not very strong. The third pig worked hard and built a house of bricks. It was strong and safe, but it took a long time to finish. One day, a big bad wolf came to the first pig's house.
Little pig, let me in,
Said the wolf.
Absolutely not,
Said the pig. The wolf blew hard and broke the straw house. The first pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf went to the stick house.
Little pigs, let me in,
Said the wolf.
no way,
Said the pigs. The wolf blew hard and broke the stick house. The two pigs ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf went to the brick house.
Little pigs, let me in,
Said the wolf.
absolutely not,
Said the pigs. The wolf blew hard, but he could not break the brick house. The brick house was too strong. The wolf tried to sneak in through the chimney, but the third pig made a big fire in the fireplace. The wolf jumped in, burned his tail, and ran away. The three little pigs were safe in the brick house and lived happily ever after. Moral: hard work and planning make you strong and safe. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed learning English today, subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you next time!